Welcome. Today I'm with this JBL wireless headphones and I'm gonna show you how you can connect them with your Android smartphone. So at the first, just be sure that your headset is turned off. Right here you'll find the indicator. As you can see, in my case it's not blinking, so it means that the device is turned off. And right now we have to turn it on and move to the pairing mode. So we can make it by using this button. We have to click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking on the blue and the red. So let's make it right now. Let's click and hold it and take a look on this indicator. Keep holding, and right now you can release. The next step, you have to open the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone, enabled by tapping on the switcher, and then just take a look on the devices right here. As you can see, these earphones are visible to our phone, so we can just tap on them once. Next we have to accept this pairing request, and as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. When we are connected, this indicator will turn to the blue. Okay, so that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.